Welcome. In this video I will show you where to find the manufacturing date for your Lenovo ThinkBook 14s laptop. So the easiest way to check the manufacturing date is to check the back cover of your laptop. So let me close the lid real quick and show the back side of your laptop right to the camera so you can see it. And now right here you can see the MFG date with the date type next to it, and that's the manufacturing date of your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.